How to fix Windows Update error 0x800f0826. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Windows has a built-in tool that can detect and fix common update issues, helping to resolve errors like 0x800f0826 automatically. This is yet another built-in option to automatically fix issues with Windows updates. There, you should see the Fix Problems using Windows Update option. Click Reinstall now. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. After your PC restarts and the fix process is complete, attempt to update Windows in a usual way. If that didn't work, fix 3. Run SFC and dism. Corrupted system files can interfere with updates, and scanning your system can repair these critical components to fix the error. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Misconfigured update services can cause errors, and resetting them ensures all components are functioning properly. Open Notepad. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.